What if I told you that you could get that smooth, reflective, almost glass-like skin, the kind you see in K-beauty ads, without stepping into a salon or spending hundreds of dollars? Today, I'm breaking down a step-by-step routine you can do right at home to achieve the ultimate glassy skin glow. And the best part? Most of these steps are affordable, easy, and beginner-friendly.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Twins, your place for easy, effective, and budget-friendly beauty tips. If you're new here, I share skincare routines, DIY hacks, and product reviews to help you glow inside and out. So if that sounds like your vibe, make sure to subscribe and join our little glow getter family. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what glassy skin actually means. It's a term popularized by Korean beauty trends, describing skin that's incredibly smooth, plump, even-toned, and so hydrated that it reflects light. Almost like glass. It's not about wearing makeup for the shine, but about achieving a naturally luminous base through consistent care. The first step to glassy skin is a clean, fresh canvas, but we want to keep it gentle. Harsh cleansers can strip away natural oils, leaving skin tight and dehydrated, which is the opposite of what we want. I recommend a mild, hydrating cleanser. Look for words like gel, milk, or hydrating on the label. Massage it in for 30 to 60 seconds using gentle circular motions, and rinse with lukewarm water. Bonus tip: if you wear sunscreen or makeup, double cleanse at night. Start with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water, then follow up with your gentle face wash. Next up is exfoliation, and this is key for smooth, light, reflective skin. Dead skin cells can create a dull, uneven surface, so removing them helps your skincare absorb better and your skin looks smoother. I prefer gentle chemical exfoliation with AHA or BHA once or twice a week. It's more even and less harsh than scrubbing. But if you love a natural DIY, here's one you can try. Mix 1 teaspoon of rice flour with 1 tablespoon of milk to form a paste. Massage gently for a minute, then rinse. Remember, over-exfoliation can cause irritation, so keep it light and consistent instead of going hard in one session. After cleansing, our skin is ready to drink up hydration. And this is where a toner or essence comes in. They prep your skin to absorb everything else you apply. Choose a hydrating formula with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or fermented extracts. Pat it in with your palms for that instant plump feeling. Serums are where you can target multiple skin concerns at once. For glassy skin, hydration and brightness are key. I love pairing hyaluronic acid for deep hydration with niacinamide for brightness and even tone. Apply the thinnest, most watery serum first, then layer on thicker ones. Give each layer 30 seconds to sink in before the next. Now we seal in all that goodness with a moisturizer. Look for one that's lightweight yet nourishing. Gel creams are great for oily skin, while richer creams work well for dry skin. If your skin needs extra plumpness, you can add an occlusive layer at night, like a thin film of petroleum jelly or a sleeping mask. This prevents moisture loss and keeps your skin soft and bouncy by morning. If you're doing this in the morning, never skip sunscreen. UV damage not only causes aging, but also dullness and uneven tone. A good SPF will protect that glow you've worked so hard for. Here's a quick DIY mask for instant hydration and glow. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of rose water. Apply evenly, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Aloe soothes, honey locks in moisture, and rose water refreshes. Together, they give your skin that juicy, plump look. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your face. It's also about your lifestyle. Here are 3 habits that make a huge difference.
Drink at least 2 liters of water daily.
Eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself at night. Combine these with your skincare routine, and you'll notice your glow lasting longer. Before we wrap up, here are a few common mistakes to avoid if you want glassy skin. Over-exfoliating can make your skin sensitive and dull. Skipping SPF. Sun damage undoes your hard work. Using too many new products at once. Stick to a routine and let your skin adjust. So there you have it, a complete at-home routine to achieve that dreamy, glassy skin glow. Remember, consistency is key, and your skin will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, subscribe for more glow-up tips, and share this with your skincare bestie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.